Today we're going to talk about this 2-inch Adventure Series leveling kit for 2012 to 18 Dodge Ram 1500. So let's take a look in the boxes. This kit comes with your top strut mount spacers along with your hardware to install them, and it comes with your heavy duty upper control arms to increase suspension travel and to help correct ball joint angle. This kit addresses a very common issue with the Ram 1500s. The factory suspension droop travel is affected by the upper ball joint. Most kits on the market only provide you with a top strut mount spacer, which will negatively affect your ride quality and ultimately premature wear issues down the road. Adventure Series lift kits are a great option for lifting your truck. They offer more lift and performance over a standard leveling kit, and they're not as involved or as expensive as a full lift kit. At the heart of all these Adventure Series lift kits are the fully boxed and welded steel upper control arms. These heavy duty upper control arms are specially designed in application specific for leveled and lifted trucks. These are fully boxed and welded steel construction. These use an index ball joint cup which repositions the ball joint for more suspension travel once lifted. These also use OE style bushings for durability and maintenance free operation. These come with a high quality greaseable ball joint with a red protective anodized cap that keeps out dirt and debris. And these are also fully assembled and ready for you to install. These kits are very easy to install. They also come with everything you need, and they generally require no cutting. They allow you to run larger tires, and they retain your factory ride quality. And also all these parts are either e-coated or powder coated for a very durable and good looking finish. And it's all backed by the Factory Protection Plus warranty. This kit will allow you to run 33-inch tires. And if you want to learn more about this kit, go to zoneoffroad.com. And if you want to stay up to date, go to our Facebook and Instagram, and I'll catch you later.